how to backup to Google Drive on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, go to the Google Drive section and tap on backup data. Then tap on the backup now button to begin backing up your data. Now you can also go down here and choose what to backup. You can backup photos and videos and other device data, so tap on that. Here you can choose to turn it on or switch off, backing up other data. Here is so that it will back up contacts and call history, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages, and SIMs information. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, and here you can tap on the backup now button to begin backup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.